Today, I'll explain how to easily identify Japanese verb loops. Let's learn together. First, please remember Japanese verbs are divided into three groups: Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. Let's start with Group 3. This group only has two verbs, furu, to come, and suru, to do. Easy, right? If you change it into mass form, kimasu and shimasu. Next, we learn how to differentiate between Group 1 and 2. The key is to look at the sound before mas in the mas form. A 50 sound chart will make this easy to understand. If the sound before mas is an E sound, it's Group 1. 遊びます、聞きます、話します、撮ります。Those are Group 1. If it's an S sound, it's Group 2. 食べます、寝ます、教えます、止めます。But watch out for exceptions. Exception exist. 見ます、起きます。Those are in Group 2. But don't worry, only introduce 2 to 3 exceptions at a time to avoid confusion. Okay, let's review. Look at those verbs and try to identify their groups. Pause the video if you need more time. Great job, everyone! Keep practicing, and soon you'll master verb groups. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more Japanese learning tips. See you next time. Green 国語オンラインスクール